Hey guys, welcome to the Daily Social. This podcast is to help you grow your podcasting channel, your YouTube channel, or any other channel that you may have. And we give you tips and tricks on what to do and how to grow them and how to gain subscribers for your specific niche or talent. Hey guys, what is going on? We are back with another episode for you guys. If you guys are enjoying these podcasts, make sure to like it, share it, and let your friends know about it. But if you guys are ready, let's just jump right into the episode. Now, this is episode 14, and if you haven't heard already, Disney Plus is going to be launching in November of this year. It's going to be mainly focused on content from Disney Studios and Walt Disney Television. And Roku is getting in on this action. It's generated over $417 million in revenue last year, so it could mean an increase of nearly 30%. And in 2024, it could be $187 million in additional revenue. So in all, Roku's value could reach $1 billion with the launch of Disney Plus. It could add as much as $1 billion in Roku's revenue. But right now, with the U.S. pricing, Disney's only released details about U.S. pricing, where the streaming service will cost the consumers $7 a month. But in all fairness, Disney makes a lot of money, guys, an estimated $300 million, because it puts films and properties on Netflix and other services. But if Disney Plus is attractive enough, it could pull in millions of paying subscribers and then yield more income. And it also gives Disney exclusive platform for making new content, whether it's with existing brands or original properties. But let us know what you guys think about Disney Plus. If you guys have Disney Plus, um, what are you doing with it? What shows are you watching? And let us know overall how it is. But if you guys have Roku and Disney Plus is one of your streaming services, let us know how is it, if it has any bugs or anything like that. And also, if you guys are interested, you can call in, leave a voice message with the couple suggestions on what our next podcast should be about. You can DM me on Insta at csnake.13 and let us know. But question of the day for you guys: are you gonna be getting Disney Plus for, I don't know, maybe for your kids or your grandkids, for yourself? And if so, what streaming platform are you going to be using? Apple Plus, Roku, Android TV? What platforms are you going to be using for Disney Plus? But let us know, guys, and we will also be doing a lot more searching, looking at this particular set of content regarding Disney Plus. So this is just the basic content right now that everybody's putting out for Disney Plus, because it hasn't launched yet. So they're just giving you a brief breakdown on what Disney is all about And to be honest with you guys, I think Disney is gonna be competing with Netflix in the streaming service game, because is a brand Disney Plus. Sorry, Disney Plus is a brand new service, so it's gonna have Pixar, Marvel, and Star Wars video destinations as well. So it's been working on that plan for a while now. So, and it's also going to have Star Wars. Every Star Wars show that the series had, it's going to be on that streaming service, and also Marvel as well. So, and The Simpsons and all the other TV shows and TV series. So, that looks to be all about it. Um, so, if you guys did enjoy this podcast, leave a like, leave a review on Apple Podcasts, and let us know what you guys think. We are going to be since actually quick update for you guys. Anchor has updated its app um for us to schedule our podcast now. Schedule the publish date and everything like that, so we don't have to make a quick one on the fly. We can schedule our podcast when we want it, at what time we want it. So if you guys are hearing this now or tomorrow, whenever you are hearing this, or if you're hearing this on a if you're hearing this tonight or tomorrow or even on Saturday morning, hope I really do hope this brings some value to you guys. If you guys are interested in Disney Plus, hopefully that is going to be a big plan for you guys. But if this podcast does bring you guys any value, let me know. Call in and let us know what you guys think. And we really do appreciate all you guys' support. And we would see you guys in the next podcast. And also, if you guys have a chance, make sure to leave a review on Apple Podcasts or wherever you guys get your podcasts. And also, a big shout out to all of my supporters. I really do appreciate your guys' support. If you guys are feeling pretty good, make sure to share this with your friends and spread the word about my podcast and get more people to listen in. And because podcasting is where it is now, guys, so it's growing pretty at a rapid pace. So if you guys consume a lot of content with podcasting, and you guys do enjoy my podcast, be sure to leave a thumbs up, and or whatever you guys can. If you guys feel like donating, you guys can help me out, and that would be great. But yeah, this is we really do appreciate your guys' support. And just a quick side note, guys, we don't know if we're gonna be doing another podcast tomorrow, because we are gonna be scheduling this one for tomorrow. So we may be doing one on Monday. So just to give you guys a heads up, so we will definitely be doing one on Monday. So this podcast that you guys are listening to now or tomorrow, if you guys do get this, we will be doing another episode on Monday. So make sure to tune into that. We are in the process of getting some guests for the show, and getting all of that other stuff set up. So We really do appreciate you guys listening in, tuning in, and we would see you guys on Monday. Hey guys, thanks for listening to the Daily Social. Make sure to subscribe to the Daily Social on Apple Podcasts or wherever our podcast is available. Thanks, guys.